welcome back to myself. Haven't made a video in a little while. It's been a couple months, but life gets ahead of you. Lost my job, had to figure out what the heck I'm going on to do. Started my own automotive business, and here we are. Now I finally got some free time. Let's just jump right into this video. What the heck is that sound? That's right. I am now a Honda owner. So with the influence of the newest night ride video, I went out and impulsively bought a Civic. Well, I didn't buy it. Let me explain the situation. The situation with this car is this is my shell, but everything underneath the hood is not mine, including obviously engine and transmission, and then the ECU. Everything else belongs to me. But I have to take this out and put it on the car on the trailer over there. So once I do that, this shell is mine and I can do with whatever I want to it. So it's completely gutted. There's 2 rust holes there on the floor, but everything else is very solid and it will be a very good complete car. It's got typical EG roof rust here and here, but it's fairly complete. The whole sides of it are nice. The back glass is all there. The side, the fenders are unrolled, which is unheard of. And the doors are pretty good, other than that, which I'm gonna find a donor car and just do the same thing I'm doing to that car with this one, with another one. But I'm just gonna pull the motor out in this video and we're gonna set it on the floor next to the car and we're gonna talk about game plan and like what I wanna do with this, what motor it should get, if I should just get another stock EG and just put the D15 and the 5-speed back in it, or if I should go crazy with like a K20, K24. I'm kind of torn because I just wanna do it for looks because I know Civics aren't fast. Don't hate me in the comments. Not all of them are, but I just want to make it look cool. Do like a cool Conjo style build, like replicate like Sacco style race car, Honda race cars, and make it look fast, but not be fast, because I already got my fast Honda over here. If you're new to the channel, this is my K24A2 Turbo Miata. It makes 400 horsepower. It is a riot, and it's currently in 20,000 pieces right now because I'm upgrading it. But yeah, this will come in a later date. You will see this in future videos coming, because I got some big stuff coming with this. Got a brand new seat. It's my old seat. It's probably gonna go in the Civic for now because that seat's gotta go with that car. Big plans. Like everyone says, big plans, but no, it's actually a running driving car currently. It's just getting real cage, real seat, real harnesses, all the up to spec stuff. But anyway, back to Civic. So last night I came in here and I did all like the electrical, harness stuff, fuel lines, I don't know what else. I did a bunch of other stuff. So it's basically disconnected the car, minus AC stuff and motor mounts and shift linkage, which obviously is why it's still being held in. So I get all that stuff off and then this motor should come out. But let's start with the AC stuff. AC stuff gone. And hey, look, someone gave it a raise and the axle got stolen. That's sick. So now I'm just gonna take this axle out over here. The long axle, you can't even see the end of it. It's so long. It goes all the way in there, all the way up over there. This thing's like 1.5 feet long. It's crazy. But yeah, after that, motor mounts, this thing should come right out. Gonna put this wheel back on, raise the other side, take the axle out, and then, yeah, motor mounts. That's it. That's all that's left. I lied. That's not all that's left. I gotta get the shift linkage, which is right there. I'm gonna do that before I lower this side. Well, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, motor's about to come out. This big ass stud that sticks out of the side of the block here for the motor mount comes out so it can come out the top. You don't have to put it on a cart and lift the car up to, mock Jesus up here to get the motor up from underneath it. You just take this motor mount off, loosen the one off in the back, take the 2 top ones out, and then take that stud out, and then it'll lift right out the top, just like it was made to. So, yeah, you just need an engine crane. So here we go, about to pull this SOB out. Well, I see why everyone lifts the car up and pulls it out from the bottom. because of the shift linkage. It's a pain in the ass to get off. So that's exactly what I did. I just lifted to sky high, put it on the trans jack right there, and then rolled the motor out from underneath it. And it's right here. I'm looking at it. After I pulled it out, it was really unstable and not safe, so I put it back on the crane and pulled it over here while it leaked more coolant on the floor. So that's pretty neat. I am going to take the shift linkage off now because it's out right here, and then I'll just put it back in on the other car because pain in the ass. It's the only thing that kept me from taking it out of the top was this. So, and that, but I could take that off. Anyway, yep, it's out, and this is mine. It's my buddy's. So yeah, I'm gonna get to putting this in there so I can get that out of here and start looking for a swap for mine. A little bit of a slave labor from my friend. We push this one out. Got to push this one in, get that motor in it, and then yeah, I'll be free to do whatever I want with this car. Got the other Civic in. It's like 105 degrees outside, heat index, no wind, nothing. So I'm done for today, but this car's in here. I'm gonna jump in it tomorrow, and we're gonna get that motor put in and, you know, hopefully running tomorrow. You know, this is pretty easy stuff to do. Like, this car's like Legos, so it goes together pretty fast. So maybe it's running, maybe driving tomorrow. So we'll see. All right, next day, got the Rust Bucket Civic in here, putting the motor in it. It's hot as hell, so I'm just trying to get this over with. So let's get it going, and I'll show you this car real quick, and then we'll put the motor in. So this is today's episode of Legos. There's a D15. It's going in here. This is what the inside of this one looks like. Hole. It's very holey in here. I gotta put a fuel tank in it. And it's missing just as much as mine. So yeah, putting it together, and then yeah, here we go. I don't remember where I last left off, but motor's in the car now. We're just buttoning up all kinds of stuff, so let's take a look. You guys have heard of the Gooch cooler vent, but what about the butt cheek cooler vent? It's new, they just installed it on these models. The passengers, the rear people who sit in the back have butt and back coolers, so that's pretty cool also. So we just got everything done with the Civic except some wheels. I got the fuel tank in, I put the exhaust on, got the shift linkage in. I filled it with some fuel. I haven't changed oil yet, it's still got oil in it. I just want to hear it light off for 2 or 3 seconds and then shut it off and then change oil. But yeah, it's all in here. Let me show you. So we got the motor all in there. Obviously, you've seen that already. Radiator, no coolant in it. Fuel tank is in there. You can see the top of the fuel hat. E-brake. Shift linkage right there. Boom. Still got to steal the steering wheel from my car. I got the cluster in there. And you know, the butt cheek coolers are still going. Just put gas in it. Let's see. The battery's charging. I'm trying to charge the battery. It's kind of fucked, so probably just gonna slap it in there, put it on all the amps, and see if it'll just crank over. All right, here we go. Let's see if this thing fires up. Fuel pump primes. Let's see. Yeah. Got fuel pressure, just heard it move. Yeah. There it is. It's not happy. But it runs. Well, the other Civic is gone, and I am left with this pile. So now I'm looking for a motor. What kind of motor should we put in it? I don't know. We could do K series, K20, K24, maybe like a RSX Type S motor, or maybe we could do something along the lines of like a B18 out of an Integra, maybe a B20 out of a CRV, or we could just find another D series, put everything in there as a stock and just make it slow, but make it look cool. don't know. Put down in the comments what I should do, what you guys think's best. So, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited for the Conjo build. So.